This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Snapchat account getting banned automatically on iPhone. To solve this issue, follow these quick solutions. So the first solution is check for any update. Open your App Store. Search for Snapchat. If you see any update available, then update the Snapchat app and then check the issue. The second solution is offload the Snapchat app. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, iPhone storage. Here tap on Snapchat. Offload the app from here and reinstall it, and then check the issue. And the third solution is contact Snapchat support. To do that, open a browser and type here Snapchat support. Open the first website and here tap on My account is compromised, and here enter your Snapchat account username, add an email address which one is associated with your Snapchat account, enter here your mobile number, and here carefully describe that your Snapchat account getting banned automatically and submit these form and hope Snapchat will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.